guys, and welcome back to our channel. So for today, we're going to create easy wearable neutral eyes, and this is perfect for our everyday look. To start off, we'll be applying our base shadow all over our lids, and this is just a neutral color. On my part, I just use one that blends well with my skin. And then to create a semi-smoky look perfect for daytime use, I'm just applying a sheer brown color at the outer corner or outer V of our lids. Next up, I'm taking a sheer glittery pink shadow, and again, this is very sheer. We're just going to apply this towards the inner part of the lids. We're also going to extend it just under the eyes, still keeping to the inner part. And then taking a gel liner, we're just going to tight line our eyes, keeping it as close as possible to the lashes. This is just optional, but if you're not going to be using falsies, especially for daytime look, you can also create a cat eye wing. This is another optional, but you can also tight line the lower part of your lash line, and there you have it. Just curl and add mascara and you're all good to go. This won't take 5 minutes to complete. Thank you so much for watching, and keep an eye out on my next video. Bye!